I was gifted this happy anniversary decoration set that is absolutely beautiful, so I wanted to share it with all of you. It comes with everything you need to create a super romantic setup: a happy anniversary banner, a photo banner to display your favorite memories, tons of red heart-shaped balloons, and even 500 silk rose petals for that extra touch of elegance. I love that it also includes all the little details like glue dots, ribbon, and even a straw for easy balloon inflation, although I just used a tire inflator I had and that worked perfectly too. All of the colors are rich and vibrant, and the quality of the balloons and petals is really nice. This is perfect for anniversaries, Valentine's Day, or even just a romantic date night setup at home. Whether you're decorating for a surprise or celebrating together, this decoration set really helps make it feel special. So if you want to create a beautiful, memorable celebration without the stress of planning every detail, give this one a try because it has everything covered for you.